Hi there. It is Thursday. This is SAT Live Lesson Day in this channel. Let me share my link, my screen. Let me share my screen and let's start. Let's look what we are going to. For the first 8 topic, okay, with you. And now we are going to learn 9th topic, ratios, rates, proportional relationships, and units. Okay, next week is of percentages. Okay, Thursday. Every Thursday we are here. We are doing live lesson with you. Hi Mr. Tuncay, how are you? Bey? Bu derse katılabileceksiniz mi? A wine turbines 900 revolutions in 50 minutes. At this rate, how many revolutions per minute does this turbine complete? İsmail Bey, biz həftənin ikinci günü Riyazi Dünyam kanalında buraxılış, 9-cu sinif səviyyəsində buraxılış testləri edirik axşam 9-da. Həftənin 5-ci günü axşam 9-da 11-ci sinif səviyyəsində buraxılış testləri edirik axşam 9-da və həftənin 4-cü günü də axşam 9-da bu kanalda ingilis dilində SAT riyaziyyat tədris edirik. Siz neçənci sinifsiniz? Riyaziyyatın hansı sahəsi ilə məşğul olursunuz? Okay, let me solve the first question. I see no one has solved. I want to find that how many revolutions per minute. So we should divide it by 50, right? We can cancel out these zeros, and this is 1, 8, 18. The correct choice is A. Okay. Next question. Ha, İsmail Bey. Yani bloku verdiniz mi? Yoksa 11'e mi keçirsiniz? A customer spent $27 to purchase orange at $3 per pound. How many pounds of orange did the customer purchase? Süper. Riyaziyyatı yaxşı bilirsinizsə süper. Neçənci qrupsunuz? İmtahanı verdinizmi, yoxsa 11'e mi keçirsiniz? Okay, let me solve the second question. A customer spent $27 to purchase oranges at $3 per pound. We are going to divide it 27 by 3 and we get 9. How many pounds orange did the customer purchase? 9 pounds, okay? The third question. Qurt bəy, aleyküm salam, hər vaxtınız xeyir. Sizlər necəsiniz, Qəmbər bəy? Mr. Tuncay says 180. Let's have a look. A mechanical device in a workshop produces items at a constant rate of 60 items per hour. At this rate, how many items will the mechanical device produce in 3 hours? Yes, Tuncay, you are right. We should multiply 3 by 60 and we get 180. Fourth question. Mr. Kurtbay says, good luck, teacher. Thank you, Gamber. Thank you. Let's have a look. A gentleman has a mass of 39 kilograms. What is the gentleman mass in grams? Yes, we should multiply 39 by 100, right? And we get this number. Next question. Mr. Tunja says it is A. Let's have a look. Has a mass of 28 kilograms. What's the concrete mass in grams? Yes, this is easy question. We should multiply 28 by 100 grams. So we get this answer. Next question. A fish swam a distance of 5,104 yards. How far did the fish swim in miles? Is there any answer? Correct answer. 1 mile is equal to 1,760 yards. Mr. Tunjai, did you solve it? On the SAT exam, as you know, we can use calculator, okay? It is not prohibited. You can use calculator about all questions. Let me open calculator. And SAT calculator is what is Desmos. You know, Desmos is the built-in calculator in SAT exam system. A fish swam a distance of this yards. How far did the fish swim? Miles. We should divide it by 1,104 divided by 1,760. Okay. Let's here 5,104 divided by 1,760. 2.9. The correct answer is B. Next question. Mr. Swan says it is A. No, the sixth question was B. Did you understand why it is B? If we divided 5,104 by 1,760, we get 2.9, okay? This is B. Okay, next question. Okay, let's solve seventh question. Is there a correct answer? Let me explain, Mr. Ismail. Let me explain. A participant in a bicycle race completes the race with an average speed of yards per hour. What's this average speed in miles per hour? We have, let's say, 24,860 yards per hour. Yards per hour, okay? That's right. Yards per hour. And we know that we are looking for miles per hour, okay? Miles per hour. So what should we do here? We should have miles here, okay, miles, and we should have yard here. Why? Because these yards will be cancelled out. And we know that 1 mile is equal to 1,760 yards. So 1 mile, 1,760 yards, okay? We see that mile over hour, as you see, and we should divide it by these numbers. Let's divide it by, let me write here, 24,816 over 1,760, and we get 14.1. The answer is 14.1. Okay. Next question. In a box of pens, the ratio of black pens to red pens is 8 to 1. There are 40 black pens in the box. How many red pens are in the box? Mr. Tunjoy says it is A. Let's have a look. Ratio is 8 over 1 is equal to black pens 8 black, okay? Red 1 X, let's say. 40 over X, huh? How many red pens are in the box? So we can say that if we multiply these ones, 8x is equal to this one. Okay, 1 times 40. X is equal to 40 over 8, and it is 5. Yes, Tunja, you were right. Yes, Mr. Ismail, you were right. Let's have a look. Two guys says it is A. A certain bird species can fly at an average speed of 16 meters per second when in continuous flight. At this rate, how many meters would this bird species fly in 4 seconds? We should multiply 4 by 16 and get 64. Yes, this is A. Let me write 16 meters per second, and we are looking for meters. Okay, we are looking for meters, so we should multiply this with second. These cancel out and it is 4 seconds. Okay, this is 64. Next question. Mr. Ismail asks my name. My name is Serkan. Nice to meet you, Mr. Ismail. Where are you from? You are from Azerbaijan, I know. Where are you from? Which region? Let's have a look. The number of square mile is estimated. What's the estimated population density in raccoons per square mile of this area? Raccoons per square mile. Number of raccoons is this one. We should divide it by 2,358 by 131. Let me calculate. 2,358 divided by 131 is equal to 18. You were right, guys. Next question. The greatest favor you can do for our channel is please like this video, share with the others, and if you haven't, hit the subscribe button. Buradakı herkes Naxçıvanlıdır. Tuncay bəy də Naxçıvanlıdır. İsmail bəy də, mən də. İsmail bəy, hansı məktəbə gedirsiniz? How many yards are equivalent to 77 rods? And 5.5 yards is equal to 1 rod. Dörd nömrəli məktəb. Nə gözəl. Uzun müddətdir YouTube-dasınız. YouTube-da hansı kanalları izləyirsiniz? Bizim kanalı necə tapdınız? Mən də 4 nömrəli məktəbdə oxumuşam uşaq vaxtı. Tuncay bəy dirəşib ki, tapacaq. Deyir Rüstəmov. Əliyev İsmail dərsənizə Rüstəmovsan. Bizə baxırsınız, amma yazmırsınız, eləmi? Siz kanalı bu gün açmısınız axı elə bil. How many yards are equivalent to 77 rods? And we see that 1 rod is equal to 5.5 yard. And 77 rod, how many yards? We should multiply these two quantity. 5.5. Let me write here 77 times 5.4, 422 over 5, 422, 3.5. Okay, next question. Mr. Tunja says it is C. A cherry picking machine picks 12 pounds of cherries in 3 minutes. At this rate, how many minutes does it take to the machine to pick 96 pounds of cherries? If 3 minutes is equal to 12 pounds, x minutes 96 pounds, we can multiply cross product. 12x is equal to 96 times 2, and we can divide it by both sides of the equation by 12. Okay, x is equal to, we can cancel out this one by 12, we get 8 here, and 8 times 3 is 24, right? It is C. Mr. Tunjai, you are right. And Mr. Ismail, how many yards are equivalent to 612 inches? Əlizade İsmail bəy, mən nə 4 nömrəli oxumuşam uşaqları. Sizin müəlliminiz kim olub orada? Riyaziyyat müəllimi kimdir sizdə? Mr. Tunjai says it is B. How many yards are equivalent? If 1 yard is 36 inch and 612 yards x inch, cross multiply 36x is equal to 612, and let's divide with calculator. 612 over 36 is 17, huh? It is B. Mr. Tunja, you are right. Yes, Mr. Smart, you are right. It is B. Next question. You are saying it is D. Let's have a look. Yards per second in feet per second. This is, we have 64 yards per second, huh? Per second. And we are looking for object speed in feet per second, right? So second is here, feet per yard. You see that these yards should be cancelled out. But how many feet are there in 1 yard? 3 feet. So 3 feet over 1 yard. So we get that 2 and 90. Yes, this is D. Okay. Next question. Ne güzel İsmail Bey. İkinci grup olmanız çok güzel. İsmail Bey deyir, ikinci qrupam riyaziyyatla tarixə həvəsim çoxdur. Çox gözəl İsmail Bey. Uğurlar olsun təhsil həyatınızda sizə də, Tuncay bəyə də. Bəli, 5-ci günlər canlı olur. Riyazi Dünyam kanalında İsmail Bey. O biri Azərbaycan dili kanalımız. Dörd nömrəli məktəb. Bizim vaxtımızda Elmira müəllimə idi oranın müdirəsi. Çox yaxşı müəllimə idi. İndi kimdir müdir? The ratio x to y is equal to the ratio 12 to t. X to y, 12 to t. When x is equal to 156, 156 over y is equal to 12 over t. What's the value of y in terms of t? We can say that we should multiply these terms, okay, these terms. 12y is equal to 156t, and we should divide it by 12, both 30t, 13t. This is A. Tuncay Bey, biz 2004'te oradan imtahan verdik, gəldik liseyə. 2004'te imtahan verdik. 2004'te mən oranın 6-cı sinifini bitirmişdim. Neçə il keçib? 21 il keçib. Hamı 4 nömrəli məktəbdə oxuyub, bəlimi? Okay, a printer produces posters at a constant rate of 42 posters per minute. 42 posters per minute. At what rate in posters per hour does the printer produce the posters? At what rate in posters per hour? Posters per hour. Okay. We should get this one. So we should get minute, hour, right? We should cancel out these minutes and we are going to get posters per hour. Huh? So how many minutes are there in 1 hour? We know that 60 minutes. Huh? So we get this one 0 to 1520 posters per hour. Okay. Yəni dəqiqədə 42 poster ürətən saatda 2520 poster ürətər. Yes, you are right Tuncay and İsmail, you are right. Bu vahid çevrilmələri var SAT-də. Poster bölü minut. Nə ilə vurmalıyam ki, poster bölü hour olsun. Burada da görürük ki, minut bölü hour-la vurmalıyıq ki, minutlər getsin, poster bölü hour əldə edək. Next question. A special camera is used for underwater ocean research when the camera is at a depth of 58 fathoms. What is the camera's depth in feet? Yes, Tunjay, you are right. We should this one. You are right, guys. How many feet are equivalent to 34 yards? And 1 yard is equal to 3 feet. Small says 102. Yes, we should multiply 34 by 3 and we are going to get 102 feet. Huh? You are right. How many meters are equivalent to 2,300 centimeters? And we know that 100 centimeters is 1 meter. Ismail says it is D. No, Ismail, it's not D. 2300 santimetre 100'e bölərək D. Mr. Tuncay and Mr. Ismail. Yəni 2300 santimetr sizcə 230 min metr midir? Deyil təbii ki, düzmü? Bunu 100'e bölürük. Sıfırlar gedir, 23 santimetr, 23 metr qalır əlimizdə. Okay, did you understand? Next question. Ops. Evet, ops. Tuncay Bey. A product costs $11 per pound. What's the cost in dollars for 6 pounds of the product? Yes, Tunjai, you are right. We should multiply 11 by 6 and we are going to get 66 pound. 66 dollars, huh? Dollars, okay. Okay, guys, this is education channel. With your pen, with your paper, please calculate with us. Don't watch this video as shown in the photo. Next question. Mr. Tunjai says it is A. Mr. Ismail says it is A. Let's have a look. XY 6, ZV 1. XY is 102. What's the English? Okay, let's say this is equal to 6. 6 times question mark is 102, and we can divide it by 6 both sides of the equation, and 1 7 17. You are right, guys. Next question. This one says 144. Constant speed of 6 centimeters per second. At this speed, was the time in seconds that it would take for the object to travel 24 centimeters. What about Tunjai? Did you solve this question? Centimeters per second. At this speed, what's the time in seconds? What's the time in seconds? We are going to look for seconds, okay, that it would take for the object to travel 24 centimeters. So 20. Mr. Tunjai says it is 4. Let's have a look which one has solved correctly. 20 seconds. Yes. Let's solve with this one. If 1 second takes 6 centimeters, each second it would be 24 to 24. Let's divide it by both sides of the equation by 6, and we get 4. Only 4 seconds, okay? Mr. Tunjai, you are right. Next question. You are saying it is C. Let's have a look. The population density is people per square mile. What is the population people? What's the area? We should divide it by this number by this. Let's calculate 80 divided by 29. Yes, you were right, guys. Next question. This one says it is A. A special camera is used for underwater ocean research. The camera is at depth of 39 fathoms. What's the camera's depth in feet? 1 fathom is 6 feet. 39 fathom is x feet. We can cross multiply and we get this number. Yes, you are right, Ismail. Next question. So Ismail says it is a constant speed of 12 centimeters per second, 12 centimeters per second. At this speed, what's the time in seconds? X seconds says it will take all of you to travel 108 centimeters. These seconds are cancelled out, and these centimeters are cancelled out. We are going to get 9. This is A. You are right. Next question. Tilly earns P dollars for every W hours of work. Which expression represents the amount of money in dollars Tilly earns for 39 W hours of work? Ismail says it is B, but think a little, Ismail, think a little. Alırsa 39 W işləsə neçə dollar alar? Çarpaz vuraq. W vur sual bərabərdir 39 W vur P. Bu W'lər getdi, 39 P qaldı, değil mi? Yəni W saata P dollar artsa, saat artanda dollar da artacaq da. Mr. Tuncay, you are right. How many teaspoons are equivalent to 44 tablespoons? Did you understand, Ismail, the 26th question? This one says it is C. If 3 teaspoons is 1 tablespoon, x teaspoon is 44. So x is equal to 3 times 44. X is equal to 132. It is C. Next question. Yes, Tunja, you are right. Smile and you are right. What length in centimeters is equivalent to a length of 51 meters? Mrs. Small says it is D. Yes, 1 metre 100 santimetrdirsə, 51 metre bu santimetr olacaq değil mi? 5100. No, Ismail, it is not D. It is C, okay? Yani 1 metre 100 santimdirsə, 51 metrdə 51-i 100-ə vurursan, 5100 santim olur. Mr. Tuncay, you were right. Why did you delete your message? It is C. Okay. Next and last question for tonight. How many yards are equivalent to 1160 inches? Mr. Tundra says 31. 1 yard 36 inch, 1160 inch x yard. 36x is equal to this one, and x is equal to over 36, and it is what it is. Let's have a look with the calculator. 1106 böl 36. SAT'de kalkülatora icazə verilir əzizlərim. Bunu dedim sizə. 31. Yes, Tuncay and İsmail, you were right. Neynədik? Hətta percentage, faizə aid suallar eləyəcəyik. Tuncay bəyə, İsmail bəyə təşəkkür edirik, izlədiniz. Bir də izləyən 3-cü şəxs var, amma yorum eləmirmiş. Ona da təşəkkür edirik. Səbrindən ötürü axıra qədər izlədi. Good night Tuncay bəy, good night. Özünüzə yaxşı baxın. İsmail bəy, sizinlə tanış olduğumuza şad olduq. Sağ olun. Gecəniz xeyrə qalsın.